In this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a few more elements that you can use with your HTML forms. And that is the field set element and the legend element. But before we do that, let's actually go ahead and add another text box here, just so we can make the form a little bit larger. And let's go ahead and just add a line break. And let's just go ahead and add another one. And we'll just create a text box to hold a name. And of course, we need an input element. And let's just go ahead and save this. We'll refresh our page. And there it is. Good. So our form's a little bit bigger now. Now, first, let's go ahead and add the field set element. And what that does is it adds some nice styling to your form. And what it'll do is it will actually draw a box around our entire form. So what we want to do is nest all of our input elements inside the field set element. So let's go ahead and create the field set element. And that's all you need. And let's go ahead and close it out down here. All right, so let's go ahead and save this and let's see what we get. And there you can see we've got this nice box now around our entire form. Now we can also put a caption inside of the field set element. So it'll go right inside this box. So let's say we want to actually move this part where it says enter day you want to travel to Cancun. That'll actually look nicer if we put it inside the field set box. So let's go ahead and do that. So we do that with the legend element. So let's go ahead and create it. And let's go ahead and close it right here. So let's go ahead and save this and we'll see what we get. There we go. See how nice that looks? So this really adds a lot of pizzazz to your forms. Okay, that's going to do it for forms in HTML. We're going to move on to another subject in the next video. Thank you.